Good day to you. I'm Spenta and I made it to Corpus Christi, Texas. This is my hotel room and I will be staying here for a few days. It is the Emerald Beach Hotel. I'm looking forward to sharing more with you. As soon as I walked in, I saw the gorgeous view and I had to share it real quickly. Again, I'm Spenta. I thank you for watching my share. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Your comment, likes, and friendship are all greatly appreciated. Look at where I'm staying. So this is my hotel room in Corpus Christi, Texas, right here. And as soon as you walk out the room, you can go right down here. And there is what I love so much. The sand, beautiful ocean, clean beach, palm trees, lovely place so far. Let's see, there's a boat over there. Let's look over here. There's some people playing. Beautiful city so far. I can't wait to share more with you. It is a lovely place. And again, as soon as you walk out of the hotel room, there is the sand. Hi there, this here is the Emerald Beach Hotel pool area and I'm Spenta sharing this view with you because it is amazing. I highly recommend this hotel if you're staying in Corpus Christi, Texas. Look at that beautiful pool. It is amazing. There is a shop area over here, souvenir shop. And not just that, my favorite part is that you can see the beach right behind you as you swim. So in cooler days, you can enjoy the beach view as you swim. Again, I'm Spenta and I highly recommend the Emerald Beach Hotel for your stay down here in Corpus Christi. It is a beautiful morning. I'm Spenta here in Corpus Christi, Texas, enjoying the morning. I woke up this morning and I walked right out of my hotel room and right here, right onto the beach. So if you're wanting a place to stay that has clean, sandy beach, I highly recommend Corpus Christi. It is so beautiful. I've enjoyed my stay. I'm going to share a shot of my hotel room with you. Here is some of the sand so you can see it is clean. There is my hotel room right here. Beautiful place, and not only it has a view to the beach, but if you stay on the first floor like I did, you can actually walk right here in the morning, literally down to the beach, which is what I did, and be right here. So we are here at the beach. It is so pretty. Gorgeous view, and I highly recommend Corpus Christi. I've enjoyed my stay. The city is beautiful, the beach is pretty, and the hotel has been a really nice place. Look at this calm water. Beautiful beach. Again, I'm Spenta, and I thank you so much for your friendship, subscriptions, views, and likes. And I hope you have a beautiful day.